Shit. Like this. Just bear with me. 100 miles I'm running. Sorry for the delay. PYT, catching all that. I love you, DC. Yeah, when I'm gone, the whole city miss me. I'm on my UK shit. Get me the eye of a bango, shuffle in my icky. Y'all boomer, you need you an MD like Eastside Sin. Dominating of the Eastside shall commence, and I shall commence it. I'm the truth, Joe. Though they try to block me like Munoz. I know my call is worth like phone call. I get brain every day, I'ma know it all. More birds than Noah, all cool with y'all. Keep talking, but no one know none of y'all. Hit the green like running backs with no yards. No hoe, acquainted with the floor. Overly loquacious, they call me say word. But they say word, just so happens mine they prefer. Yours is deferred, we ahead of the curb. And they all look alike like the girls on Virgin. Cut beats, I'm a fucking word surgeon. Scalp and sponge, this work. Thanks. Yeah. All night, whatever happens. On my way back home, now I'm in the zone. My SIM card's a bomb, they blowing up my phone. Kicks Hong Kong, vapor in the garment, the face of hip-hop, my DC audience. And you niggas will acknowledge this. Born again socialite, thanks climbing. My climate is way higher than Lindsay Lohan nostrils. I'm powder. Sorry, Mark, I don't wanna offend your sister's good friend, but when my pen get in, it pretends in itself it's an entity, and it interferes and gets the best of me. So I'm one with that. I'm stuck with that. Y'all little ass niggas can't fuck with that, nigga.